Is becoming fairer possible or just unrealistic? Is it the same as getting rid of hyperpigmentation? And what actually works? Hi, I'm Dr. Manashwita, a certified dermatologist. Let's clear up the confusion. Fairness versus removing hyperpigmentation. They are not the same. Fairness means trying to change your natural skin tone, which is neither necessary nor healthy. Hyperpigmentation, on the other hand, is when patches of your skin become darker due to sun damage, acne scars, or hormonal changes. Treating it is about restoring your natural even skin tone and not changing who you are. So what helps? Dermatologists prescribe actives like vitamin C, niacinamide, kojic acid, azelaic acid, and tranexamic acid. They reduce dark spots, calm inflammation, and bring back balance. What doesn't help? Fairness creams, most are either too weak or dangerously strong, with steroids or mercury that damage your skin. So here is the truth. Yes to clear, even toned skin, no to chasing fairness.